This is a KitchenAid 42-inch built-in refrigerator. This unit does not have water and ice feature in the doors. KitchenAid 42-inch wide stainless steel built-in refrigerator. This unit is in very good condition. Exterior wise, there's no dents or scratches on it. This is the freezer side. Just to let you know, this unit comes with 6 months warranty, which covers parts and labor in Phoenix, Arizona. And we also offer 2 months nationwide warranty. If you have any questions about this unit, feel free to call. Thank you.